Alright, in this video I'm gonna show you how I made this beat real quick. So I started out with this soft piano and some powerful chords. Next thing I'm gonna add is a bass. I started off with high notes and then drop it down once I get the tone. Now we're adding my kick and snare. Now I'm going to sidechain the bass to the kick. Gonna add another snare, ride cymbal. Now I'm gonna do a tape stop effect. Now I'm adding an atmosphere for the intro. Now I'm adding an arp for the chorus. This is what the first verse sounds like. Now I'm going to add my hi-hats. I'm going to speed through this real quick. This is just arrangement. Sounded pretty fire. Gonna add another layer to my arp. Gonna EQ that layer with some sound design EQ effect. Alright, now I'm just going in, adding some white noise. It's a cool effect to fill up that top end. Adding another layer to my art. Now I'm gonna add a boys choir. Adding a little change to my piano just to keep it interesting. And this is the final beat. Enjoy.